how to change your appearance, unleash your inner power using the law of attraction. Hi there, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Your dreams, your goals. That's what this channel is all about. And that's why we're here Monday through Friday to bring you up on the latest on the law of attraction, personal empowerment, the mind sciences, and ancient wisdom. You know, some people believe, and I'm one of them, that the law of attraction is a law. It's not just a technique that you use from time to time. It's an actual law, like gravity. It is always working. And in fact, it may have been working before we were born, and it may be working after we pass on. I don't really know. But I do know this, that we attract everything into our life, that we are co-creators of our reality, and we create our reality, including some of the problems that we live through, because we need those lessons and we need those challenges. But once you decide, I don't need that anymore, I'm ready to move on to a higher version of myself, internally and externally, you unleash the power to change yourself on the inside, which allows you to manifest whatever you desire on the outside, but you also change the way you look. You begin to look different. And you can actually go back and look at videos of different law of attraction gurus right here on YouTube. Look at their earlier videos, look at them today, and you will see that they have physically changed. At least some of them have. Okay, so what causes our beliefs? Our beliefs are usually set in early childhood. And if you've been told, well, you'll grow into that nose someday, or man, you got a really big head, or man, you got flat feet, you're never going to be able to run very fast, or you're never going to be very tall. He's going to be short like the rest of us in our family. You ever heard that one? If you've been told that at an early age, that's what's in your subconscious mind, and that's what you tend to attract. Have you been told, you're big boned? You're big boned like your grandma was and like your aunt was, and like a lot of the other people in the family. And that's why you're always going to be heavy. Well, that's a condemnation that you don't need to believe, you don't need to buy into. It's not real. You have the ability to modify how you look, and you have the ability to manifest what's important in your life. One of the ways you do that is through your subconscious mind. Activating your subconscious mind, your thinking power, 92% of your thinking and manifesting power, that's important, comes from your subconscious mind. So, hey, while I'm at it, let me extend an invitation for you to visit Miracle Hypnosis online and try our 7-day free trial. And you can start using these programs that we have specially developed to help you change the way you think, what you manifest, how you look, all of the above, and even more, because we're adding new programs weekly. Okay, Miracle Hypnosis online. You can do that. Now, you are a manifester. You are a co-creator of your reality. If you attracted the new car in your life, if you attracted the new job in your life, you can attract how you look. I firmly believe that. Now, when I was born, I looked at pictures of myself as a baby. And I saw that I had bright, beautiful blue eyes. Not that brown eyes are bad. I love brown eyes. But I had blue eyes. And then my eyes, for many, many years, began to become more gray, more steel color. And I could see that in color photographs of me, that my eyes had changed color. Probably because of stress, probably because of beliefs, probably because that was what I was attracting on a subconscious level, on a vibrational level, on an energy level. So I sat down one day and I said, I want my blue eyes back. And so I sat down and I began to work on manifesting my blue eyes back. And it worked. I have them back. See? There they are. Anyway, you can do the same. You can do even more. I've had people that have had great success in lightening their skin complexion, or people that have scars from burns and things like that. Literally lighten it to the point where it's gone. I've had people change their hair color. Incredible. I worked with a client, this is unbelievable, but I worked with a client many years ago who had lost his arm and his leg. He lost his arm and his leg in a motorcycle accident. And we began doing healing work, just energy work, vibrational work, just to take away the pain. That's what happened. His arm started growing. And of course, that caused a tremendous amount of pain. It's not so painful when you're in the womb, but when you're a full-grown man and your arm begins to grow and your leg begins to grow. So he would go to the doctors and they would go, well, we don't know how this is growing. We don't know how this is happening. But they would shave it off. And then he would come back to us and we do more healing work, more energy work, more vibratory work. And his arm would begin to grow. This happened 3 or 4 times. And finally we realized that this gentleman had gotten used to not having an arm. Even though the energy and the vibration was helping his arm grow, he really didn't want it to grow. He reached the point where he didn't want the pain. He didn't want the struggle that went along with it. So he went to UCLA. He was inducted into a program they had called the Starfish Program, trying to understand how he was growing his limb back and how that was happening and all the research. It's a fascinating subject. Anyway, that's what happened. You can change the way you look. You can change the dynamics of your life tremendously by increasing your confidence and your personal power. So number 1, the universe has unlimited power. This is the premise that you must go by. If the universe has the power to create the sun and the moon and the stars and the sky and the earth and the trees, it certainly can help you grow a bigger nose or a shorter nose or grow a little bit of height. I mean, that's hardly a challenge to the universe. But here's what's the key. You can't just want to make the change. You have to be absolutely certain that it not is going to happen. It is happening. That the change is happening right now in your life. People that have overcome cancer, people that were given death sentences, said, hell no, no way. I'm getting better right now. I'm claiming healing in my life. And the cancer began to diminish and recede. And their life took on new meaning, new hope, new vitality, new energy. Absolute certainty. So write it down below because that's the most important. Write it down below. I am absolutely certain. I'm absolutely certain that I am changing the physical dynamics of my body. Number 2, get specific about what changes and focus on one change at a time. I know you may have 2 or 3, but if you focus on one change, you can really get specific and look for role models. Look for people that have the characteristic that you'd like to bring into your life. For example, I have blue eyes, but if I wanted to change them to beautiful green eyes, I would look for people and pictures of people with green eyes. And every time I ran into somebody with green eyes, I'd say that's a sign. That's a sign that the universe is talking to me, that I am now making the change, that my eye color is changing slowly, but certainly, but absolutely. I would cut out pictures of people with green eyes, and I would look at them before I go to bed at night, every single night. Then after I got in bed, I would practice creative visualization. See yourself the way you imagine yourself. Be in the picture. Don't be watching it. Be in the picture. And so if you've changed your eye color, for example, have a lot of little meditations where in the visualization you pick up a mirror and look at yourself and notice your green eyes, or notice that you have a little bit more hair now, or notice that you're a little bit thinner than you used to be. Practice creative visualization every single night and make certain that you have a mirror in your dreams, that you are looking at yourself in a mirror in your dreams or in your creative visualization. You may be in a dream state when you do this. Number 4, oh yeah, name it and claim it. Every time you see someone who has exactly what you desire, you name it to yourself, green eyes. And you visualize that you have green eyes at that particular moment. You imagine that your eyes have turned green just like theirs, or your height has changed, or your weight loss has changed, or your hair color has changed, or your skin tone has changed, whatever it is that you're working on. Name it and claim it. Number 5 is gratitude. Have a gratitude journal dedicated to this one topic alone, where you are writing down how grateful you are for the changes that have come about in your life. You're writing as if they've already happened. I'm grateful that my hands are now stronger. I'm grateful that my skin tone is now a little darker. I'm grateful that my eyes are blue. I'm grateful that I'm a little bit taller. I'm grateful that I'm a little bit thinner. And you write down what this increased gratitude does for you in your life. It gives you more confidence, gives you more joy, gives you more happiness. Number 6, act as if. One of my secrets is to simply buy clothing that's a size or two too small, and I act as if I can wear it. I buy it, I take it home, I hang it up, and then I make certain that I can fit into it. Now that's just dealing with weight, but you can do it in every area of your life. Act as if you're taller. Act as if you have darker skin tone or lighter skin tone. Act as if your eyes are beautiful brown or steel gray or blue. Act as if. So the final secret is the big secret, and that's this. Use shamanic tapping and release along with purified water. Here's how you're going to do it. Now I'm going to do a kind of a speeded up version. I'm not going to spend a lot of time. But when you do this, you're going to sit down and do it in a more deeper meditative version. My eyes are bright blue. 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 Take a deep breath. Feel the change already in your physical body. Rub your hands together. Create that energy ball. A nice energy ball of intention. Now, whether you feel it or not, it's not important. Whether you see it in your mind or not important. Just know it's there. Speaking to the ball. I enjoy my blue eyes. Blue eyes. Blue eyes. And now, send it into the water. As Dr. Emoto taught in all of his scientific research, water can be deeply affected by our intentions, by our feeling, by music. It is very, very, very powerful for manifesting. There are 1,000 ways to use water, and I promise on this channel I'll be sharing more of those ways. But now this has been charged with blue eyes. Blue eyes intention. Whatever your intention is, you're going to put it in there. And then, the first thing you're going to do, pour yourself a glass of water. Salute. And as you drink water out of your pitcher all day long, you're bringing your intention into your physical biology, into your body, and you're changing yourself from the inside out. Oh yeah. Okay. You're going to love the way you feel, and you're going to enjoy how much you like being master of your looks, your destiny, and your future. You have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.